Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I am your English teacher and welcome to Future Executives online classes. Today we will discuss two activities of unit number 1 that is on page number 13 and 15, and then we will discuss the words meaning of unit number 2 saving our tigers. So let's start with our first activity that is on page number 13. This activity is about present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So what is present perfect tense? We use present perfect to talk about things we did sometime in the past but we don't say exactly when. So what is the structure of this tense? Subject plus has have plus past participle. So what is the example of this tense? I have read books about to-dos. She has eaten lunch. We have played cricket. So the action is finished and time is not important in this tense. And now let's talk about present perfect continuous. We use this tense for actions that started in the past but are still happening now. So what is the structure of present perfect continuous? Subject plus has have plus verb plus ing. Subject plus has have been plus verb plus ing. So what is the example of this tense? I have been reading this book for an hour. And the second example is she has been playing for 2 hours and they have been studying since morning. So this section is not finished and it is still happening. So I hope you understand this activity. Now let's move towards another activity that is on page number 15. This activity is about sentence fragment. So what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that has a subject, has a verb and expresses a complete thought. For example, I read a book. I read a book. She is playing football and they have finished their homework. So each sentence can stand alone and it makes sense by itself. So what is fragment? A fragment is not a complete sentence. It might be missing a subject or a verb or it does not express a complete thought. And fragment cannot stand alone. Okay, for example, running in the park after lunch. So these kind of a sentence are fragment. And now let's move towards words meaning of unit number 2 saving our tigers. So the first word is diverse. Diverse mean various, means different types or kinds of something and it shows variety. Okay, the next word is identify. So what is the meaning of identify? Means to recognize or know what something is. And next word is tracker. Tracker is a person who finds wild animals by following signs like footprints or dropping. So what is the meaning of tracker? Tracker is a person who finds wild animals. The next word is protect. Protect mean to save. So what is the meaning of protect? Means to keep safe or defend from harm. Next word is naturalist. A scientist or person who studies plants and animals in nature. So what is the meaning of naturalist? Life scientist. What is the meaning of naturalist? Life scientist. Next word is poaching. Poaching means illegal hunting of animals, usually for profit. The next word is damaged. Damaged means harmed, broken, or spoiled. Next word is conservation, the act of protecting nature, wildlife, and the environment. So what is the meaning of conservation? Conservation means protection or preservation. Next word is preservation. Preservation means conservation. The next word is inspire. What is the meaning of inspire? Inspire mean to motivate or to encourage. Means to motivate or encourage someone to do something good. And then population, the number of people, animals or living things in particular area. So what is the meaning of population? An area, inhabitants or residents. Next word is reserve. Reserve is an area where organisms are protected by law. So I hope you understand these meanings. Thank you for watching this video.
Future executive school built on vision, values, and belief.